Thank you for coming back, guys. So today's recipe is gonna be oxtail. As you can see, I have all my ingredients that I need for my oxtail dinner today. So I have my peppers. So you notice I have the yellow, the red, the green. I have onion, scallion, which you guys call green onion. I have my thyme, tomato, Scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, vinegar, lime, and over here you can see I have my 2 butter beans right here that I'm gonna need, my Maggie all-purpose seasoning, my black pepper, my parsley flake, oil, and some salt. In this house, we do a little bit of salt. We don't do a lot of salt. So over here, guys, I have my oxtail already stripped and washed. So here are my green onions. I'm cutting my green onions. Then I'm gonna do my tomato, my peppers. And if you guys are not familiar with the Scotch bonnet pepper, I only use a little piece, like 2 small pieces, because Scotch bonnet pepper is really, really spicy, so you really don't need a lot of Scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm ready to add my powder seasoning to my oxtail. So I'm doing half a teaspoon of black pepper. I am also doing half a tablespoon of my parsley flake. Here I go. I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of my Maggie all-purpose seasoning. See, I have my little container here that I put all my little powder seasoning in. As you can see, it's ready for my oxtail. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that to the oxtail, and then I'm gonna marinate. Here I go. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna rub, get all my little seasoning in. And I'm also gonna add 2 tablespoons of my soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm adding my 2 So get all of this in. So when you put your soy sauce on, your oxtail should have this color here, looking nice and brown. And at this point, I'm gonna have it sitting for 5 to 10 minutes, just marinating. At that point, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put my pot on the stove. I'm gonna actually do medium heat until it's super hot, and then I'm gonna add my oxtail just to brown it before I cook it down. Okay guys, so my season is all chopped up and ready to go. And at this point, my pot is already on the stove on medium heat, so it's pretty much hot. So I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 cups of oil to my hot pot over there. So here we go. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna fry these oxtail. just got done browning or frying my oxtail. This is what it should look like. Not bun up, like what Jamaican would say. Bun up. No, you want it nicely dark brown. This is what it should look like. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add it into my pressure pot, as what some people would call your instant pot. Or if you don't have a pressure pot or an instant pot, you can have your crock pot. But the crock pot, it would take a longer time, around 4 hours to cook. With my pressure pot or my instant pot, I usually do 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. So here I'm adding my nicely dark brown fried or brown oxtail to my pressure pot or instant pot. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add some water. And as I said, I time it for 15 to 20 minutes. I did 11 cups of water to cover my oxtail. So now I'm gonna put it on the stove and I'm gonna put the lid on, and it's gonna be pressured for 15 to 20 minutes. My pressure pot is ready. You can see it over there. It's picking up. It is pressuring. So now I'm adding my 20 minutes on the clock. Your instant pot would automatically add the time for you, but with my pressure pot that I have going on, I have to add a timer. So I'm doing 20 minutes. So my 20 minutes of pressure time is over. I'm gonna take my pressure pot and I'm gonna cool it down under some cool water, because anybody who's familiar with the pressure pot, you know you can't just open it like that because it would explode on you. So I'm gonna go ahead and cool it down in some cool water. Just have the cool top water running on top until I hear that sound. So in the meantime, I'm having a little rum cream, some Jamaican rum cream. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and transfer this into another pot, because this pressure pot that I have here is too deep to continue cooking in. So, and then also I'm gonna add my seasoning, which is my scallion, my onion, my tomato, my green onions, for another 20 minutes cooking time. So here I go. I have 5 minutes of cooking time left. So at this time, I'm gonna go ahead and add my butter bean, or back home we'll say broad bean, to my pot. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna wash the top before I cut open them. So I'm gonna wash, dry, and then cut open, and add it to my pot over there for the last 5 minutes of cooking. Okay guys, dinner is served. Look at this. Dinner is ready. Look at this. Look at this. So here I have some vegetables right here. So I have my shredded carrot and cabbage. And I have some pumpkin rice. I did pumpkin in my white rice. And look at my oxtail. My oxtail with my broad bean or baked bean. So this is what it should look like. And here I have the rest of my oxtail. Look at this. Look at this beauty. Okay guys, I am ready to dig in. So bye for now. Bye. Okay guys, if you like the video that you just watched, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the subscribe button right here and check out my other videos right below.